Hi! Another day, another vlog, KMA family. Before anything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button para ma-update kayo sa mga latest namin mga videos. Yeah! So, right now, morning time. Kung na pong nagigising sa ngayon. And usually, pag una kong gising, I'm the one to prepare breakfast for the both of us. Yes, para kay Michelle. Yeah, so right now, I'm here in our kitchen. I'm preparing our breakfast for today. So I hope you enjoy. Alright, it's time for some cooking time. Alright, it's time. Yep, nakalis pinggan. Yep. Wow. Sarap ng morning. Yan. Last one. Next up, it's time to cook another one. Our favorite, Michelle. Yung tuyo. Huga sa amin tawag. Oh, wow. Sarap. Ayun o. Ayun. Ayun. Sarap. Wow, wow, yes, Michelle. Mahina yung fire natin. Dagaan natin po. Ayun. Ang sarap talaga, guys. Pampagising to, guys. Yeah, guys. Ayun. Ayun, guys. Parang luto na, guys. Oh, wow. Stop na natin. Parang luto na, guys. Wow, ang sarap-sarap, guys. Sarap ng alright, guys. Luto na siya, guys. Ito na po. We have some boiling egg. Alright, guys. Ito na, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Ay, ang dilim. Ang dilim-dilim.
Oh, hindi. Ako buhat ko.
No. I cook for you breakfast. Wake up now, my Michelle. Wake up now, wake up now. Wake up now. It's not in your face, not in your face. No, in your face, sorry. Not in your face. Yeah. Bago ko nabugta ako, no? Mama.
Stop!
Oh, close na yung eyes niya. Hello to the world. To the world. Yan. Nag-cook ako ng breakfast. We have some rice. We have some hot dog and ano nga tawag, ano?
Dry fish.
Dry fish, yeah. Gising na po. Gising na pala siya. Nagla-laptop. Nagla-laptop na siya. Ihihi. Good morning. Wake up na, wake up na. Wake up na, wake up na. Wake up na, baby.
Wake up na ako. Sunday na ako daw. Stop ba?
Good morning, good morning. Good morning, dear. Good morning. Good morning. Ay,
Sila na buy na sa kanila.
Oo, sabi niyo ko na bye. Kasi ipapakita ko po yung pagkain namin eh. Bye na. Oh. It's chibog time. Okay guys, kain tayo with coffee. Ito po yung pinggan niya. Kain siya. Okay guys, time to say goodbye. Thank you for watching. Share this video, like, subscribe, hit the bell button para ma-update kayo sa mga latest na may mga videos. Bye-bye!